What if I told you you could start selling AI services this week, even if you don't know how to code, don't have a product, and don't have a single client yet? Sounds impossible, but it's not, thanks to a platform called GoHighLevel. In fact, if I wasn't the CEO of Vector Point AI and I was just getting started, this is exactly how I would make my first $100,000 selling AI. Most people that are trying to make money with AI today are doing it completely wrong. If you want to make real money, you need to solve real problems. And GoHighLevel lets you do that without needing any technical skills. Over the past 4 years, I've helped thousands of people go from AI curious to actually making money with AI. And today, you'll learn the exact playbook. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the simplest AI service anyone can sell, how to build it using GoHighLevel, and how to land your first paying client, even as a total beginner. Bonus points if you're a female founder or entrepreneur. I'm passionate about supporting other female founders, so leave me a note in the comments for a special invite. Most people think you need to build some crazy AI startup from scratch to make real money. You don't. You just need to solve a very boring problem better than anyone else. Here's the reality. Every business has leads coming in, whether that's calls, texts, and website forms, and most of them go unanswered. That's lost money. Now imagine this, an AI that answers every message, books appointments, and follows up automatically without you lifting a finger. That's what GoHighLevel gives you out of the box. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform. Think of it like this. A CRM falls in love with a marketing system and has an AI super agent baby. They all live under one roof. That sounds like a party. Here's the best part. GoHighLevel is plug and play. So you set it up once and then sell it to different clients by swapping in their logos, brand colors, and company-specific details. You get forms to capture leads, AI chat builder, booking calendar, automated emails, and a dashboard to track everything all working together. You don't need 5 different tools. You need GoHighLevel running behind the scenes. To your clients, you may as well be building this AI infrastructure from scratch. Your brand, your service, that's the power of white labeling. You become their AI partner without them ever seeing GoHighLevel's name. Feels like cheating. Here's a simple tip. The fastest way to make money with AI is not building tools. It's applying AI to existing problems. And that's exactly what you're gonna do with GoHighLevel. Let me show you how to start making money with GoHighLevel in 3 steps. Step 1, pick a niche. Not everyone. Pick one group, dentists, real estate agents, med spas, or coaches, because they all have the same problem. And it's a big one. Leads slipping through the cracks. Step 2, build one simple system. Here's the easiest one to start with, an AI lead responder. It does 3 things. It instantly replies to new leads, asks clarifying questions, and books an appointment. That's it. And inside GoHighLevel, you can build this with workflows, AI chat responses, and calendar booking. No code required. This is basically a drag and drop situation, guys. Yes, the platform can feel intimidating at first because there's so much that it can do. But if you start with one problem that you're solving for clients, you'll see how easy it can be to start earning. First, make sure you're logged into your sub account, not the agency level. Look at the top left account name bar. Agency level shows your agency name. You'll know you're in the sub account if that bar shows the client's business name. If you don't have a client yet, you can set this up for your agency. Now, we'll create the AI itself. GoHighLevel calls this Conversation AI. In your sub account, click AI Agents in the left side menu and choose Conversation AI. There are 3 ways you can build your chatbot. With a guided form setup. This is best when you're creating an AI agent for basic lead capturing and appointment booking. This one is the fastest to set up, and it's the one I'll walk through today. You can also build a prompt-based bot, which is ideal for personalized lead capture. With this option, you provide custom instructions that tell the AI exactly how to behave. And the third option is to use GoHighLevel's flow-based builder. The flow-based builder is for more advanced lead capturing and nurturing. It's more complex and involves logic and conditions. So for this, we'll choose guided form setup. Since we're building a 24/7 AI that can instantly reply to every lead, qualify them, and book calls, we'll choose appointment booking. Be sure to click into additional information and define your client's brand voice. This is the most important step. The AI won't be useful unless you teach it what to say and how to behave. If you're not sure how to define your client's ideal audience or customer pain points, you can always copy the link to their website and drop it into ChatGPT or another large language model like Gemini and have it define those terms for you. It's super useful and makes it really quick. Next, give your AI agent a name. Choose which social channels or websites you want the AI to be active on and define what you want the AI's first message to be when it talks to potential leads. Pro tip, if you hover over the tokens icon, you'll see the pricing estimates, since these AI agents are priced on a usage basis. It's super cheap though, like 0.02 cents per message. And that's good, because when you're building AI solutions for clients, you want to make sure that they scale. You can also define custom questions for the AI to ask your leads. These could be questions that qualify the lead or tell you whether they would be a good client for your business. That's it. You've built your first AI lead responder agent. Congratulations. Now connect the AI to workflows so that qualified leads get tagged and your team gets notified. In the Conversation AI editor, find Bot Goals, select the calendar you want the AI to use for scheduling appointments, or check the box that says Don't book an appointment. You'll choose that option if you prefer that the AI simply sends your lead the booking link. This AI lead responder will now handle all general inbound conversations on its assigned channels. So text message, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any channels that are not already being handled by a workflow bot. Think of it like this. You're not selling AI. You're selling a 24/7 receptionist who never sleeps and never forgets to follow up. That's worth money. Now, let me show you the easiest way to land your first client using GoHighLevel. This is a massive unlock that most people don't know how to do. Step 1, use GoHighLevel's prospecting tools to find businesses losing customers right now. You can also do this manually using Google Maps. In GoHighLevel, you get a complete client finder system that's already built for you. In Agency View, select Prospecting from the left side panel. Here, you can search for businesses in your niche. GoHighLevel checks whether they've claimed their Google business profile, looks at their review count, and verifies if they're running a modern website. It then gives you a conversion score, showing you how likely they are to hire you to help them with AI and marketing. So immediately, you know which businesses to reach out to first. But it gets better. Once you save one of those businesses as a prospect, GoHighLevel can generate a full marketing audit report on that company, like done for you. It checks things like if their Google listing is complete, which you'd be shocked, a lot are not. If they're responding to reviews, how the website is ranking with AI search engines, if the business is using online tracking tools, and even if their business name and phone number are showing up correctly across other sites on the internet. Amazing. GoHighLevel crunches all of that information and gives you a comprehensive report that scores their marketing out of 100. Now, you have an audit report to share with them that addresses a real problem that's costing them real money. So your cold outreach might look like this. Hey, name, I was searching for dentists in Miami and came across your practice. You've got some awesome reviews. I noticed a few things on your Google listing that could be costing you new patients. I put together a quick report if you'd like to see it. No charge, no strings, just thought it might help. Why does this work? Because you're not pitching AI, you're solving a problem. You're telling them, look, you're losing money and I can fix it. That's an easy yes. Here's the shift most people miss. AI is not about tools, it's about systems. The people winning right now aren't using more tools. They're building simple workflows that run automatically. And now you can do it too. With GoHighLevel, you don't need experience, you don't need to code, and you don't need a dozen AI tools. Instead, you get one system that solves dozens of real problems that businesses will pay you big bucks to solve. If you're serious about building AI income streams, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to snag a free 30-day trial to GoHighLevel, grab my partner link in the description. I only promote platforms and tools that I actually love and use in my own business, and GoHighLevel is one of them. So check it out. You can thank me later.